Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just have to open like keypad on your device and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also the serial number. And the second method, you just open settings, go to the about phone section, then go to the IMEI information. Here you can see your IMEI numbers. By going to the status, you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.